Hi guys, I am Susan, and welcome to our channel. Did you know that the global errand services market is projected to reach USD 1,826.35 million in the next 8 years, growing at a CAGR of 21.14%. Recently, popular errands are leading in providing on-demand home services to serve the daily chores. Today, I am going to talk about how the highly promising errand service apps make money. Any guesses to which app are we going to talk about? Well, they are the leading names in the online errand service mobile application called TaskRabbit and Handy app. Hence, if you are planning to build your own handy service app like TaskRabbit or Handy app, now is the perfect time for budding entrepreneurs. And to make sure that you put the first step right, it is very essential for you to understand how the companies make money. Well, I will be answering you in detail. Meanwhile, make sure you subscribe to our channel and stay updated with such information. How are TaskRabbit and Handyman so successful and earning so well? To understand this, we need to properly understand the revenue model. So, the first way they are generating revenue is the service and commission fee. Now, applications like these charge commission on every task they make. So when a client is booking a task, they charge them 15% on the total job price. So, as the number of orders increases, 15% of every order directly goes into the revenue of the application. Support fees, non-negotiable, applied on every job booked, 7.5% of total price. Next is the registration fees. Every time a freelancer registers to work as a tasker, Hesh is charged a certain amount. This sums up to around $25, which is non-refundable. Also, to add more to the revenue of errand service apps, the next one is peak price. Certain services that are high in demand are being categorized under peak pricing. As the demand of the particular service rises, the price rises too. For example, if you need to rush to a meeting and suddenly the water tap does not work, you would need a plumber as soon as possible to fix this, isn't it? What would you do? It's simple. An application like TaskRabbit and Handyman can help you solve the problem in just a couple of minutes. They would send a plumber as you need it urgently, and there was no prior booking to this. So, this is what is known as peak price. So, this is how peak pricing can help apps to generate more revenue. Next, and the last one, is advertising charges. If any taskers want their name to appear on the top of the searches to stand out from the huge lot of task doers, the app charges them for advertising fees. This helps to get more revenue and visibility for more work. Let's check out TaskRabbit and Handyman funding and valuation. I hope with this video you have a clear idea of how errand service apps make money. Now, if you are all set to start with your on-demand errand service business, get set and launch your own app now. Contact us now.